Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X2 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your tabs. Then click on this little icon with a plus at the bottom left corner. Now to add a video file, click on Gallery section. Look for your video over here, and when you find it, tap on it. Then click on one of those options, Google Photo Link or a video. After you decide, hit Add at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, my video was successfully added. To add an audio file though, click on the same plus at the bottom left corner. But this time select Files section instead. And look for your audio file over here. You can tap on one of your apps, click on those three lines at the top left corner and access one of those sources, or just tap on Audio Filter at the top. Wherever you decided, when you are finished, hold your file and hit Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!